This industry is a high-performance sport. Mura siyang high-performance sport, guys. And if you don't have the lungs for it, if you don't have the grit or the resilience for it, you will surely drown. Di ka magdugay dito. Hala ka diha. Kinsa man ninyo diri spent their high school years in the varsity swimming team. Ha? Kinsa man diri ang varsity who used to run around the track oval while the sun was scorching hot. Utong-tutok, nagdagan kay naa ka sa track and field nga team. Ha? Or maybe you're the type who got scolded by your coach because you were 5 minutes late sa inyong volleyball practice. Kinsa man diri ang ingon ana og lifestyle during their high school years. So if you grew up as an athlete, congratulations. You have a secret weapon that most VAs will never have. Okay? Nga naman, ato ni siyang tukion sa atong Road to VA Life podcast. And that secret weapon that I'm talking about is not your physical strength and it is not your cardio either. Ha? Dili nga ka ng taas kag hangin. It's not that. I am talking about your grit. G-R-I-T. Grit. Sa manang grit. I-google ninyo. Ito, i-google daw nato. Sa manang grit? Sa Bisaya sa grit. Oy, Ginoo ko. In Bisaya, Cebuano, grit is courage or determination sa character. So, mao na imong secret weapon. Grit. Your courage and your determination. Because let us be honest, the internet makes the VA life look like a permanent vacation. No, kay di nagug ka sa opisina, work from home gug ka. Sumura ka gabakasyon, ara ka sa balay. So, those VA influencers online, they show you photos of people working at the beach with a cold drink in their hand, nag-inom na sila butong or makarita or unsa pa na ilang iinom diha. But you and I know the truth. This industry is a high-performance sport. Mura siyang high-performance sport, guys. And if you don't have the lungs for it, if you don't have the grit or the resilience for it, you will surely drown. Di ka magdugay diri. By the way, sa katong wala kailana kung kinsa man ning gayaw-yaw diri. Ako, ang imuhang ate nga VA runner, I'm Lisa Zabala, and this is the Road to VA Life podcast, okay? I'm talking to you not just as a mentor, but as someone who has been in the game. Freelancer ko, virtual assistant for 20 years na. Okay, 20 years na ko. Naadiri, my goodness, di ko ang din ako eh. Anyway, 2 decades of freelancing, virtual assistants, and writing content. Ug uban pa, lots of actually writing content. Kaya writing, magiging ako ang background. Okay? I survived the night shifts, the very close deadlines, and the pressure. Mura ka giluto o pressure cooker. Hapit kada adlaw, even on weekends. Okay? And now, I am sharing resources for aspiring neophyte VAs to become champions. Kung wala pa mo aware na atay VA Kit, just go to lisasabala.com/VA Kit if you want to download the resources. Or you can also join my free bootcamp. That's lisasabala.com/bootcamp. Ato lang mo para maka-register. Kamo na'y bahala. Fill out sa form para maka-appeal mo sa atong sunod nga free bootcamp. Anyway, yes, I am looking at you now. Ikaw, pwede ka nga ma-champion nga virtual assistant. Pwede ka mahimong rockstar nga virtual assistant. Okay? And I've seen virtual assistants come and go in this remote work career. Like, come and go yun. But the ones who stay long are the ones who never lost their discipline. Just like an athlete nga, kinahanglan na kay disiplina to thrive in your athletic nga career. So think about those days when you had to wake up at 4 a.m. for practice. Okay? Your body was sore, your bed was warm, no? But you still showed up at the pool or at the court or at the track oval. Nga naman, kay nakay disiplina. Mao man na ang athletes na ay disiplina. Okay? Because you respected the grind. Nirespeto ka sa practice, how important it is leading up to the championship date. So why am I mentioning this? Nganong akong gikumpara ang imuhang athletic career sa high school or any athletic career to the VA world. Nganong ato ikumpara? Okay? Because when you're an athlete, you have a coach. Para ma-maintain mo imuhang disiplina, you have a coach who is guiding you, maybe screaming at you, challenging you. But in the VA world, nga kinahanglan kayo ang resilience, ang grit, ang disiplina, you do not have a coach screaming at you and telling you, do 10 more laps. Okay? Walay coach nga maingon ana nimo. Okay? Nobody is watching you if you're actually working or just scrolling on TikTok. Ha? Walay magbantay nimo. And that is exactly where most VAs, newbie VAs fail. They simply cannot handle the freedom. Kay wala may nagbantay gud nimo. Wala nag-supervise nimo. Freedom means slacking off. But an athlete, okay, kung student athlete ka, you know that freedom is just another arena to show your discipline. So kung tagaan ka, i-entrust ka og freedom, kinanglan imo sang ipakita nga, okay, I can handle this freedom because I have discipline. You understand that practice is what you do when nobody is looking. So as a VA, you understand that showing up on time, nga dili ma-late, mo submit on the deadline, those things are boring, but if you are consistent, then that is what you need to do, especially when nobody is looking. Kaya walay mo pakpak nimo, walay mo cheer nimo, yay! Wala ka malit sa imong duty, walay mo ingon ana. Wala, you're on your own. So, in this game, if you do not train your mindset, your career as a VA will be benched before the first quarter ends. Wala, okay, magsugod. Wala pa mag-ribbon cutting, wala pa magpanbansang awit, kay pildi na ka. And this is why I like to compare the VA career to an athletic career is because if you are an athlete, you understand something very painful but very necessary. It is the value of an injury. Kung ma-injury ka. So in sports, you get hurt, you sit out, you recover, and then you get back in the game. Okay? You don't just quit the whole team just because your knee hurts. No. But in the VA world, I see so many new VAs who get one bad feedback injury. Ingnon sa client, nakabati man imong graphics. If the client gives you bad feedback, then you want to quit immediately. Is that the right attitude that we're bringing into the VA world? No? Ana din paghalagi, kapuya naman ko, di na ko mo reply. Kung nood, tagaan na kag bad feedback sa client? No. An athlete knows that success is not a straight line. It is a series of wins and some losses also. Kay mas daghan tag makatunan when we lose. So, I kid you not, sa ako ang 20 ka tuig na diri as a freelancer, consultant, and virtual assistant. I learn more from bad feedback, from critique, from negative comments, more than I get from good comments. Sabi nindot nga nakadawat kag kudos, like, Lisa, you're so great. I'm so happy that you're my virtual assistant. Daghan mga nindot og ingon ana. Kay nindot ang feeling nga makakuha kag kudos. Pero if you really want to grow, you need to actively pursue critique from your client. Okay? Kinanglan makuha na nimo nga data kay para makaibaw ka asa ang sami. Kay para makaibaw ka asa ka kuwang. Kay para kato nga gaps imuhang mafil-inan to nimo nga gaps. And that is how you can secure yourself as an unfireable nga virtual assistant. All right? So, if you go into the VA world and you are impatient, I would recommend that you learn a sport. Take up any sport. Pickleball, volleyball, basketball, swimming, any sport, running. Okay, if you are impatient, because it's gonna train you to become more patient. If you easily give up, you need to experience what it is like to lose a championship. You need to experience what it is like nga dili ka maka-finish sa fun run. Okay, that will teach you something that you cannot be taught when you always win, when it's always comfortable, when you're always lacking off and being lazy. Because athletes, even though they lost the championship the day before, they still show up for practice the next day. Di gihapon na mo absent. Ngano man, because they understand that in order to win the sport in totality, you have to have discipline. Dili mo give up. Okay? They show up for practice the very next day with the same hunger to win. And I hope that is the attitude that you take with you in your road to VA life. Okay? So, if you don't have a sport yet, then let your virtual assistant career be your Olympics. Mauna ni atong Olympics, ang atong pagka-virtual assistant or atong pagka-freelancer. You treat every client like a finals game. Okay? Not even the playoffs. You treat it like the finals game. Treat every difficult task like a high-intensity interval training. HIIT. Okay? You master the discipline of your schedule and the toughness of your mindset. Kay para mulungtad ka diri sa imong pagka-virtual assistant, dili ta dali nga mukaka. Because at the end of the day, the client isn't just paying for your skills. They are paying for your reliability also and your stamina. Otherwise, you need to evaluate. Are you an MVP nga team member of your client's business? Are you an MVP teammate? Or are you just a substitute player? Kay kana mga substitute nga player, kay gibutang ra na sila diha temporarily. So, atong i-equate sa VA world, 1 month ra ka nga gi-hire. Unya paghuman kay bye-bye na dayon, ganahan kay ingon ana. Ang atong tuyo baya diri is we become unfireable. We become an integral part of the business of the client. So, you need to be an MVP. Para dili ka ma-trade, dili ka mailisdan. Okay? Do not let your virtual assistant career be just another hobby. You make it your Olympic sport. Give it your all in. Suwayi lang. And it will give you rewards like no other career ever will. I promise. And I speak from experience. Okay? So, are you ready to stop playing small and start training for the big leagues? And if you want to be part of the next draft, I am opening the doors. Again, akong ipahibaw sa inyong nga naatay Road to VA Life Bootcamp. Just go to my profile, naara diha ang link, register so that you become part of the next bootcamp nga schedule. Let us find out if you really are ready to play like a pro or if you're just here for wearing pajamas while you work. Okay? Tara na nimo. Okay? So this is Lisa, your head coach. Dub ako myself as head coach. I am Lisa, your head coach, mindset coach, helping you succeed in your road to VA life. The clock is ticking, the game is on, and I hope to see you at the finish line.